Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Meetup emails. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your emailing service. For example, here I'm using Google, so I'm going to open up Gmail. Alright, as you can see here, I have Meetup emails right here. So what I'm going to do is just click on it. Now you have two options. First one is to simply unsubscribe, and the second one is to block emails from Meetup. All right. When we go to our three dots right here besides the email, just click on it. Now, as you can see here, you can just hit on block Meetup emails. All right. Click on it and you'd be good to go. If you wanted to unsubscribe, if you'll be able to see unsubscribe button right here at the top left, just go ahead and click on it and you'd be good to go as well. Now, if you just wanted to turn off notifications, if you're using a mobile phone, you can go ahead and open up your mobile device. Now in here, just tap and hold in the particular app. Now, once done, just tap on the information icon right here at the top right. Tap on it. And here you should be able to see notifications. Just click on it. All right. As you can see here, mine is already turned off. If you want to turn this on, just click on the slider. And as you can see, you'll be able to see a ton of notifications on your phone, including event cancellations, changes to event time or location, and so on and so forth. All right. If you want to turn it off, just turn the slider off and you're good to go. And that's basically how you stop Meetup emails or notifications. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.